guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening one of my downsides called Pikachu Attack Roller. Pikachu Attack Roller. Guys, let's open it.
Wait, you forgot to tell who's that guy? Cristiano.
That's my friend. What's that? Is it one? Go on my little see. That looks like a thing. How? You. How? Okay, never mind. Let's do this one first. Oh. Bye bye. See ya.
So you need to
pull
it
put this
and then hit that thing and got a point, right?
Mine. This is mine. Ha ha. There's still a small one. Yeah,
I got 10 points, 50 points, and 100 points.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, you got 50.
Yeah, we got 10 too.
Okay, Audrey, you want to try to hit it?
Yeah.
Now guess. Let's guess.
0 points.
Audrey hits which one? How many points will we get?
I don't know. Maybe 100. Maybe 10. Maybe 1.
And 0. Okay, 10 points.
Wow, it's literally in the sea. You put it in the other side.
Hey, nobody in the camera.
Second dimension.
Yeah.
We're back. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Well, 1 million subscribers, so press subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.